The lights start going out. The street lights along the street start going out. One at a time, like in a row. Poof, poof, poof.
We just looked at each other. Wow, did we do this? I mean, because we were jacked up to a street lamp, you know what I mean?
I was home, sitting here watching television. Bingo. All the lights go off, television goes off. I go up to the roof.
This is Young C Brooklyn Kid. What's up? What's good? I don't know what these motherfucking rappers do, but all I try to do is bring hip hop where it should. You understood? This Young Sicilian on your fucking headphones. No gimmicks. Keep the shit home. No cars, no bitches, no snitches, no police shooting you down. Get in the hospital, get in the ditches. Fuck that, mama crying, baby mama lying. All this shit, man, I ain't buying. I was some new shit, the Young C. Can't flip with the beat. I represent the OSD and I'm real J. Old block for my nigga JJ and my nigga OJ. How they did them, these motherfucker and one-eyed bastards. Worshipping Satan, but I keep it on a secret. Fuck that, Young C peep game nigga. Young C peep game nigga. Fuck that. Nigga, fuck that. Ice cold, but this hard time 6. The block is the kids fixed with the 26. The blinks to get the crucifix. Every time the block a 96 from my rip. And the 645 and we all in the flip. And everybody sucking the devil's dick, cause he's scared of revolution. Houston was the place where they put a scar on my face, but a bust back. Motherfucker, give me damn mother bitch, you kept it, got the crash back. Sit the block on the side and ride. I'ma do that 45 with the stop or die. I'ma do cat 6 with the block to block. And then they ask Young C, why you all the time lie? I lie, niggas are high, catch the plot. But most of my niggas got Uzis and they do drive-by. What's up? And I'm rolling with them blacks. I have the 45 cause I'm coming for the facts. I could not chill with your niggas side the real. Y'all motherfuckers talk too much about the field. Gas socks 45 with the start to still. Doing 60 life, but the stop for still. Shit is real, best the motherfuckers still. I got the 24-5 with the blocks to fill. Get the kids stop with the blocks to kill. Dot 96 with the daffodil. Lord please, I got enemies every time I go on the seas to catch bastard beasts. I'm a 645 still killing the beast. Young Sicilian kicking down with the killing disease. Okay, feel your dog when I cast the bark. And I'm a shit 45 cause I'm a street hawk. Keep a guns on my side when I do that homicide. I run that shit, let them bullets fly. Let them talk for the side, pick up the Mac 10 2045, got the blocks dead. Then my young kid brother came in with the Uzi 645 Susie. Tried to do me, bitch please, I'm still driving Daisy. Sometimes I think by myself, I smoke too much hazy. I go crazy, let's daisy. Out of bitch, the bitch is so lazy. Motherfucker pay me, motherfucker pay me, motherfucker pay me. Young C, Dark Agenda Volume 2.
I'm Akeem.
Nice to meet you, Akeem.
Son, you want to keep working here. Stay off the drugs.
Yes.